Hi, I'm Chuck.
And I'm Lori.
And we're Kovaction Dronography.
And today we're headed to Bethel, New York,
where a very groovy concert happened called Woodstock in mid-August of 1969.
And we'll be back after this.
Stay tuned. We're at Bethel, New York, and we're at Woodstock.
And we're going to visit the museum right now.
So come along with us.
Take your time, fall in line someday. It's hard to win, hard to pin one day. I look out for you to soothe away the blues in your eyes.
And I suddenly realized that this was gonna be a party. This was gonna be fun.
We're going in.
No disguise.
It's pretty dark.
I look out for you to soothe away the blues in your eyes. In your eyes.
It's been a long time coming. I know a change is gonna come.
City lights and they're still glowing blue. Looking out from my window, city lights and they're still glowing blue.
Psychology professor Timothy Leary caused us to use encouraging the use of LSD.
It's hard to win, hard to pin one day. I look out for you
Into the love bus.
to soothe away the blues in your eyes.
A limousine breaks down, and I find myself like
In upstate New York, lines of cars stretched up to 20 miles.
Ooh, we're in the party bus.
and they found the guy.
So I think the coolest thing about this museum is it doesn't just talk about the music, it talks about the politics a little bit too. '60s fashion. It's pretty hip, man. Odd mini dress and go-go boots.
Those are moccasins.
Oh.
Can you say it?
Moccasins. So we have flower power, just like my shirt. Sam Cooke, Mick Jagger, Jimi Hendrix, and Janis Joplin. We're checking out the Magic Bus. Here's the Magic Bus. This is really cool. It's an actual Woodstock t-shirt. That is cool. Some big ass speaker right there. Lori's checking out some mini skirt action. What do you think of these?
Let's see, what does it say? Let me go over here. Sweater, the mini skirt, the coat dress, and the color dress.
I love it. Groovy, baby. Nice. We made it to the Woodstock Monument, and the field behind us is actually where the concert took place. The stage was located on the top of the hill. Check out the monument right now. Behind us is Nick and Bobbi. They're on the cover of the Woodstock record. And check out what they're saying.
So he went to the bank, borrowed money, bought a big dish, wired Liberty, wired Monticello, got all kinds of reception, and the name of his company was Cablevision.
Oh, you're kidding.
He sold
Cable.
Alan Geary. He sold Cablevision's buddy, Corky, who's since passed from Agent Orange a couple years back. You can see his full picture, face and everything. He just got back from Vietnam. He was in the Marines. So. My waiter was dating Bobbi, and all the waiters brought their girlfriends up to the bartenders and placed them in front of it. And the bar is probably 100 feet long at least. And so he introduced me to Bobbi and asked me if I would keep an eye on her. Yeah. Let's go and have some pizza or whatever. You know? We've been together since. We've been together since.
Nick and Bobbi, Chuck and Lori.
Chuck and Lori, switch. Come on, boy, girl, boy, girl.
All right, boy, girl, boy, girl.
I know it's a new time, but come on.
All right. Peace.
Take your time, fall in line someday. It's hard to win, hard to pin one day.
Thank you.
Thanks. Well, you guys, I'm so glad you guys were here. This is super cool.
Thank you.
I wish we were there in '69, but I was only 3.
Move your hand someday. In your eyes, no disguise one day. I look out for you.